Good morning everyone, hope you've all been having an awesome day so far. Currently we are on the beautiful Gateway Highway heading down south to a place called Yatala. Now there is a massive car event that's going on today at Yatala Drive-In Theatre from the Blacklist Cartel. So if you guys don't know the Blacklist Cartel, I'll leave some links in the description down below, but they're a brand new crew that started up just a couple of months ago here in Brisbane, and all they do pretty much is spread positive energy around the car scene, which is something that's so awesome to see. So if you guys want to give them a follow, they're going to start doing a lot of awesome meets around Brisbane. I'm going to start going to a whole lot of them as well. This is going to be the first event that I'm going to, and I'm so excited. But yeah, just cruising on the highway, cars being all nice, got the aircon pumping. I tell you what, it's a nice little drive. Sunday traffic is always the best. I love it. Next week, guys, maybe, I don't know, we'll see. We might have an R33 GTST in manual. I don't know, we'll see, it'll be fun. This has to be the cleanest 180 that I've ever seen. Look at it. And it's got 172,000 Ks on it. Running some rotor grids right there. Good old rotor grids. Nah, just joking. Wow, that's mental. Clean F6 down here as well. I'm not normally one to like 300ZXs, but that's kind of cool. I like it. Looks nice in that real flat black. Evo! I'm on one. Beautiful SS down here as well. Got a little bit of nitrous and a fuel cell in there too. God damn. Wow. I wanted to have a bit more of a look at this setup right here. It's an LS1 R32. Actually fits in there really nice as well. Looks like he's relocated the battery and everything else as well. Baghdad right over here as well. Whew. Now I've seen this car around a little bit, but I don't know, I'm not quite sure. But this color is so bright. Man, this is just absolute goals. Check out this rear bag setup. That's so cool. The beautiful old Toyota here as well on some really nice, like, period correct JDM rims, but I'm not quite sure what they are. I'm sorry, guys. Looks so wicked. Hey, I like his air freshener. Little Dwight just chilling in there. Cool, that Stingray. Then you just got this slow piece of, I don't even know what that is. Orange turd. Looks good. Man, I'm just so in love with this WRX. I've seen this thing so many times now, and just this paint. I love this color. I might do my R33 in it one day. So rad. Oh man. One day. There's no better sound. clean 180. Easy. No. Jeez. Oh, this will be an interesting battle, of course. It's not too loud on idle, is it? Yeah. Yeah, I was just looking at his belt then. Dorito rotary. Man, I cannot get over this thing. God damn. RB26 swapped, R34 4 door. Here we go, he wanted me to put it in. Oh, he's not even looking at me now. Here we go, the beautiful R31. With wide body flares, whatever it is. This thing's sick. Can't believe I didn't even see this thing. That is insane. Wow. Guys, I'm so sorry, but I apologize. There is so many clips that have just disappeared completely. Like, it's just such a jumpy video, and I'm so sorry, but I hope you guys really enjoyed it nonetheless. Blacklist Cartel, you guys have done such an amazing job trying to bring all of these stereotypes and make it into such a good thing. I think this is the first time that a meet has actually been at a reasonable time, at a really well-planned location and everything else as well, you know, going at 10 AM and then having events all day. It was super, super hot, and a lot of people stayed around for like 3 to 4 hours just with like the limbo comp and the rev off, and you know, no one was playing up. It was brilliant. Everyone was keeping away from the entries and exits where like people, you know, normally you like ramp people up to try and do stuff, but no, everything just worked out so perfectly. And yeah, you guys really ran it so incredibly well. You know, I saw everyone having walkie-talkies and, you know, making sure that everyone was accounted for. There was food, there was drink, there was merch stalls, there was just everything there that you could possibly want in a car meet. And it's just so cool to finally have something like that in Brisbane. Well, another one like that in Brisbane. I just think it's so cool. But yeah, I'm super duper tired. I'm sorry about all the clips that have just, I have no idea where they've all gone. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, thank you very much. I really do appreciate it. If you guys liked it, remember to leave a like. And if you guys want to check out the rest of my videos, that'd be amazing. Please remember to subscribe and comment what you thought in the comment section down below. And I will see you all in the next one. Peace out, guys.